Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq. Nasdaq's eVestment group recently released a report looking at brand awareness among asset management firms around the world. The report ranks these firms globally by region and by firm size and asset class based on views of the firms and their products on the eVestment database. eVestment Global Head of Research, Peter Laurelli, is with us today to talk more about this new report. Peter, it's great to see you again. Welcome back to Trade Talks.
It's nice to see you too, and thanks for having me.
You got it. And can you tell us a bit more about how the brand awareness results are compiled and organized?
Sure. The brand awareness scores are they're a score that asset managers receive based on the breadth and depth of viewership of their firm and their products on Nasdaq's eVestment platform. So essentially what we measure is how many unique individuals might view a firm's products and how likely they are to view multiple products across that firm's offerings. And we also understand that that firms might have higher brand awareness in different market segments. So, for example, a firm might have a higher brand awareness for their equity products, or might be better well known for their fixed income offerings. So we've segmented the rankings to account for firm size, to account for the region in which the viewership on our platform takes place, and by asset class across equity, fixed income, and alternatives.
How can this information be helpful to asset management firms?
Yeah, so first, it's a great benchmark to understand how a firm's brand awareness compares to their peer group. Understanding whether your marketing and sales and consultant relation efforts are effective or as effective as your peers might be is important, and it's difficult to frankly, it's difficult to put a number on, but that's what these brand awareness rankings do. And we also understand that brands take time to develop and even to fade. And so these metrics come out every quarter. And while they might fluctuate a tad from quarter to quarter, understanding how brands are rising and falling over longer periods of time is a great benchmark to for sales and marketing people to understand the effectiveness of their communications.
What are some of the things that can impact brand awareness scores?
Yeah, so transparency is huge, and a willingness to share information in an effective and timely manner about the firm and its products and its details all play a role in the brand awareness scores, and in how consultants and asset owners may view a firm's brand. For instance, we looked at measures of how efficiently information is being provided into the eVestment platform, and for every metric that we looked at, the willingness to share timely and deep data with the consultant asset owners who use eVestment's platform coincided with higher brand awareness scores. So effectively communicating information about your firm and its offerings is key for building your brand awareness over time.
This report highlights the top 10 to 20 brand awareness scores in the various tables. If firms didn't make these top lists, can they still find out where they rank? Absolutely.
So we ranked every firm that reports their assets to eVestment. There are 3,300 plus firms globally reporting information into our platform. And every firm that reports their size is given a score, and they can find out that score by reaching out to their eVestment sales or client service associate, or by reaching out to the research group, or by sending a message through contact us essentially at the eVestment platform.
All right, Peter, appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks, and thanks for joining me. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.